Hi! These are some basic phrases with some spaghetti cooking. I have my vocabulary course coming up, so I'll learn those because that's pretty important in a new language. Okay, a little update now after the first class of alphabets. I feel good. Like I get some of this, but I now realize that I need to know much more than just the alphabets. But I haven't really started yet, and great thing. But let's go on to the learning. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
오랜만이에요. 오, what's interesting is that 안녕 can be fine.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 저기요. 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 저기요.
은행은 어디에 있어요? 은행은
어디에 있어요? 화장실로
어디에 있어요?
I will not be able to go to the bathroom there. 이거 주세요. 이거 주세요. 이거 주세요. Super important. 이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? Do you have a vegetarian menu? I usually eat vegetarian food, so this one's good. 채식 메뉴 있어요? 응? 채식 메뉴 있나요? What? How did you say that? 채식 메뉴 있나요? 채식 메뉴 있나요? 영어 할 수 있어요? 영어 할 수 있어요? 할 수? 제 이름은 엘라입니다. 저기요, 물 주세요. 자싱밥. 자싱 메뉴 있나요? This is going to be all vegetarian, so this meat-free mifu. I don't think this one's vegan because I think it's some kind of milk-based protein. Anyways, yeah. But at least it's vegetarian. Okay, now I got the tomato thingy in here. It doesn't look that good, but at least I hope it is good. And yeah, I'll put some spaghetti and I'm going to boil that. That takes about 10 minutes, and after that, we're good. Okay, yeah, I think some would say this is a very bad way of starting learning a new language, but in my experience with languages that I've learned or now, it's been the best way, just first hearing the things and then kind of starting to understand and then going deeper into the grammar and everything and the alphabets, which is a big thing because it's different alphabets than what we have here. let's continue with some basic phrases. Okay, I just put into YouTube basic Korean phrases. So I chose learn 20 essential Korean phrases for beginners. Let's see. Okay, we did come to my room after all. I'm going to let the food cool down a bit because it's super hot, and I think in 30 minutes we'll be eating dinner with my family. But now I have some Korean phrases. I like to try and incorporate some of the Korean videos or something to my week, at least once a week, go through some of these more learning type videos. I think it's better to know the language of the country you're going to. And when I went to China with it was only 2 weeks, some of my friends had Chinese classes for 1 or 2 years already, so I just know some basic things in Chinese. I can not even keep up a conversation, but I know some basics. But yeah, but now it's Korean turn. Yeah, okay, great. 안녕.
안녕하세요.
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 5 efforts or
수고하세요.
when you say 수고하세요, it means
수고하십니다. 뭐하세요? 배고파요. 배고파요. But I'm going to go and eat. 뭐 먹을까? Say what? 뭐 먹을까? 뭐 먹을까요? 먹을까요? 잘 먹겠습니다. 미안해. 죄송합니다. Say that again. 죄송합니다. 시간 있어요. 시간 괜찮아요. 괜찮아. It's okay, right? 괜찮아. 얼마예요? 자식 메뉴 있어요? 저기요. Okay, I'll check back to these words tomorrow, maybe, but on the weekend at least, and make sure I remember something, and then I will just wait for my vocabulary course and enjoy learning these basic things, and hopefully in next year spring when I'll be there I'll know something. 얼마예요? 이거 안녕. That's the thing. 안녕하세요. 엘라입니다. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.